So evaluate each of the following. So for number 1, limit of x squared minus 4x plus 3 as x approaches to 2. So we'll answer this one. So to answer this one, we will distribute limits. So we'll distribute in each of the terms. So limit of x squared as x approaches to 2 minus limit of 4x as x approaches to 2 plus limit of 3 as x approaches to 2. So by direct substitution, because this can be will direct substitute the number 2. So 2 squared minus 4. So 4 multiplied by 2 plus, so limit of 3. So limit of a as x approaches to b is just equals to a. So limit of 3 as x approaches to 2 is just equals to 3. So further simplification, 2 squared is just equals to 4 minus 4 times 2 is just equals to 8. So plus 3. So negative. So 4 minus 8 is just equals to negative 4. So negative 4 plus 3 is just equals to negative 1. So negative 1 is our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So the answer here is negative 1. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to number 2. So let's answer number 3. So limit of tan x. So this will be tan. Limit of tan x plus sin x as x approaches to pi over 4. So we'll answer. So first thing, we'll distribute. So we'll distribute. So limit of tan x as x approaches to pi over 4 plus limit of sin x as x approaches to pi over 4. So after this one, we will substitute, direct substitute x to tan x and sin x. So tan pi over 4 plus sin pi over 4. So this two term is in trigonometric function. So we'll use our scientific calculator in radian mode. So in radian mode, because of pi. So because of the angle pi over 4 and pi over 2, or pi in relation to pi. So by scientific calculator, tan pi over 4 is just equals to 1. So 1 plus sine, then sine pi over 4 is just equals to the square root of 2 all over 2. So after this one, we will simplify. So 2 plus square root of 2, and then we will have will divide both sides by square root of 2. So 2, so distribute 2 square root of 2 plus square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 is just equals to 2 all over 2 square root of 2. Right? So we'll factor out 2 here in the numerator. So 2 multiplied by square root of 2 plus 1. So all over 2 square root of 2. So after this one, we will cancel 2. So square root of 2 plus 1. So the remaining will be square root of 2 plus 1 all over square root of 2. So this will be now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. Square root of 2 plus 1 all over square root of 2. So correct, our answer is square root of 2 plus 1 all over square root of 2. So let's proceed to number 5. So we'll proceed to number 5. Let's answer number 5. So limit of 2x plus cube root of x minus 4 as x approaches to 8. So we'll distribute. So we'll distribute limits each of the term. So limit of 2x as x approaches to 8 plus, so limit of, so cube root of x, so we'll so just have cube root of x as x approaches to 8, so minus limit of 4 as x approaches to 8. So we'll have direct substitution to from the value 8 to x, so 2 multiplied by 8 plus cube root of 8 minus limit of 4 is just equals, as x approaches to 8 is just equals to 4. So we'll simplify, so 2 times 8 is just equals to 16. So plus, what is the cube root of 8 is just equals to 2, right? 2, then minus 4. So 16 plus 2 is just equals to 18 minus 4 is just equals to 14. So 14 is our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So answer is 14. So our answer here is correct. Let's proceed to number 7. So let's proceed to number 7. So limit of cube root of 3x all over x multiplied by square root of x plus 1 as x approaches to 3. So we'll distribute limits both numerator and denominator. So limit of cube root of 3x as x approaches to 3 all over limit of x as x approaches to 3 x multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by square root of x plus 1. So we'll have a direct substitution. So cube root of 3 multiplied by 3 all over uh, so all over 3 multiplied by 3 plus 1. So let's further simplify this one. So square root of 3 times 3 is just equals to square root of 9 all over 3 multiplied by square root of 3 plus 1 is just equal to square root of 4. So square root of 9 is just equals to 3 all over 3. So square root of 4 is just equals to 2. So 3 times 2. So we'll cancel 3. So the remaining is 1. So the final answer is 1/2. So let's check if our answer is correct for number 7. So the answer is 1/2. So our answer here is correct. So that's all for this topic, limits. So the next video will be limits in indeterminate form. So stay tuned.